Here are three things I love about this laundry. Firstly, I'm really impressed by the elevated washing machine and dryer setup. This design trend is gaining popularity right now, featuring convenient pull-out drawers directly beneath. The setup allows you to place your dirty laundry buckets on them without any need to bend over during the process. What a dream! Next up, I'm particularly drawn to the attention to styling. While many might overlook the importance of making a laundry room aesthetically pleasing, considering it's not typically a place that guests see, the focus on styling here is what truly transforms it. From the carefully chosen decorative tiles, which I will tag these products, to the thoughtfully curated decorations, each element elevates a space significantly and transforms it from a mundane chore space into a functional, aesthetically pleasing area that can uplift your mood and motivation. Finally, I have to mention the abundant natural light flooding into this room. Not only does it serve a practical purpose, facilitating airflow through the doors and aiding in the drying process for any linens hung here, but it also adds a touch of warmth and brightness that enhances the overall ambience of the space.